In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Drive to N8N in just a few simple steps. Once this is set up, you'll be able to use Google Drive inside your workflows to upload files, read documents, and automate file management tasks much faster. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your N8N workflow. This can be an existing workflow or a brand new one, depending on where you want to add Google Drive automation. Once you're inside the workflow editor, look for the Nodes panel. This is where you can search for all the available integrations and actions inside N8N. Now click into the search bar in the Nodes panel and type Google Drive. As soon as the Google Drive option appears, select it. After that, N8N will ask you to choose an action for the node. You can pick any action you want for now, since the main goal here is to connect your account. Once the node is added, look for the Sign In with Google option, click it, and then log in with the Google account you want to connect to N8N. Follow the Google authorization prompts and approve the access request so N8N can use your Google Drive account. After you finish signing in, your Google Drive account will be connected and ready to use inside your workflow. At this point, you can start building automations with Google Drive in N8N without repeating the connection process again. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Drive to N8N. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this one.